What's up guys, Will's Garage here. So this is episode 3. Gonna continue stripping out the interior on the E92 M3. So let's see what we got here. Whoa, shoot. I keep on forgetting that I have a bunch of wires hanging on the door. But yeah, as you saw in the previous video, I stripped out part of this car. Still got a lot more to do. In this video, I think I'm gonna remove the headliner, all the pillar covers. I'm probably gonna try removing the seat belts in the rear here. And I'm also gonna remove this center armrest right here. Then after that, probably in the next video, I'm probably gonna remove the carpet and the rear and also in the front here. And then eventually the driver's seat. So once I receive my replacement seat, I'm gonna be installing that as well. So without further ado, let's get to it. Alright guys, I'm going to start off by removing the rear seat belts first on the right and left side, and then probably progress up with the C pillar and the B and A pillars, and then remove the headliner. Remove this first. This handy pick to get this airbag plastic piece off. It just looks like this. It's just a plastic clip. This right here is a, looks like a T20. That takes a little more force than I actually expected. This is what it looks like back here. And just slide this clip back on. The light. There are two bolts right here that's holding this black seatbelt cover in place. I'm going to remove those. Okay, so they're actually not bolts, they're just pins. Alright, so I have the push pins removed. There's one bolt up here that's holding in the seatbelt mechanism. It's right here. There you go. Got the seatbelt mechanism removed. So I'm going to remove the other side too right now. Coat hanger thing right here. Okay, so now I'm gonna remove this rear trim thing right here. Alright, so behind that rear back panel I just removed, there are two little trim pieces that's holding it up right here. And one on the other side. The trim removal tool in between right here. Oh, it just comes right out easily. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to move towards the front now. I'm going to remove the sun visors and then these handles with that light in the front, that you can pop off with a pick. Pillar, screw right behind here. And there's a little light right underneath the sun visor here. You can just pull straight out. similar to the sun visor, there's a plastic covering here you can just pop out. So now I gotta figure out how to remove this light from the headliner here. There's any kind of clip up here, maybe. So the clips are in the front area here, not on the side. If you just push in. Okay. That's what the connectors on the back look like. I'm just gonna go ahead and plug all of these. Yeah, so it's up in a headliner like this. Basically there's metal clips right here that you can just push in and release it. So when you reach in under the headliner, press the metal clips and it'll drop down this way. This is what the metal clips look like. I don't know if that's... Yeah, so there's two right here. Press down on the metal clips and drop it down. Press in and drop down. Alright, now I'm going to remove the center light. My hand. Oh. Oops. Here, just pinch and pull. This is what the back looks like. Alright, so it seems like the only remaining item that's holding this headliner up mainly is the B-pillar covers. So I'm going to remove this trim removal tool. Camera wasn't showing it, but basically this tool right here, just stuck it in underneath, pop this out. Get this trim piece off. Oh my God. Well, don't do what I just did. Looks like what I was supposed to do is slide it down some more and get this piece out. If you're planning to keep the C-pillar, don't do what I did. Make sure you pull down and out. That's how it appears to work. There you go. So you gotta pull it down and out so that you don't break this trim piece right here like I did on the other side. And this is what it looks like. As you can see, the shape of the frame right here, you're supposed to slide the clip down into this opening and pull it out. The only thing that's holding up the headliner is this weather stripping here, so I'm gonna peel it back on both sides. It's down and out, guys. I gotta figure out how to Tetris this thing out the door. Adjusting this headliner and put it to good. Got it out. Pretty cool. You can see the carbon fiber roof right here. But then there's a bunch of this sound deadening insulation garbage. Seems like it's glued onto here. This is gonna be a pain to remove. This took longer than I expected. I was gonna remove the center console as well, but I don't have enough time, so I'm just gonna cut it off here. But yeah, if you guys found this helpful, if you enjoyed this video, or you know, you plan on doing an E92 track build, weight reduction like I am, please subscribe, like the video, and stay tuned for more.